Okay guys, today we are gonna do a burp contest because y'all have been suggesting that. So we're gonna get going on that. Alright, ready?
I'm probably gonna win.
He's gonna okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Eating a dang donut.
Yeah. Alright. Then on the first round. Stop playing! Stop playing!
You out, boy.
Stop playing! Stop playing! You better stop
playing. I'm gonna knock you out.
You ain't gonna knock nothing out!
I'm gonna knock you.
Alright, let's go.
You wanna do round 2 or something?
Mm-hmm.
He was pushing. These dang chairs, though. Your turn.
Alright, when I was on the bus the other day, this dude was like, he was looking at me and was like, dude, are you 5? And I was like, yeah, 5 inches deep in your mom. Have you seen that line?
That shit. Bunny. Or like 550.
Huh?
What are we gonna do? What are we doing?
4 rounds, alright?
What? This is our 3rd one? Oh yeah. And when we're done, put in the comment section below who do you think won. Crap it, I don't need it.
There we go.
What was that?
You know what that sounded like?
Don't even. Alright, do it. Let's see who won. This is the last one.
Yeah.
Your turn.
Here we go.
I won. Well,
Well,
if
see
you
you
think-
one in the comment section.
Yep.
Alright. See y'all next video.
Peace out.